Ready to skyrocket your Shopify store's credibility and conversions with the power of social proof? First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, the central hub for managing your online store, where we'll begin the simple widget integration. Next, navigate to the Shopify App Store and search for the Trustpilot Reviews app, your gateway to seamlessly integrating Trustpilot's trust-building features. Once you've located the Trustpilot Reviews app, click on it, and then hit the Install button, granting the app access to your Shopify store for smooth integration. Now, connect your existing Trustpilot account or easily create a new one to begin synchronizing your valuable customer reviews with your Shopify store. Customize your Trustpilot widget to perfectly match your brand and website aesthetics, playing with options like widget type, color scheme, and desired placement on your pages. Finally, preview your changes and publish the widget to your desired product or landing pages, instantly showcasing authentic customer reviews and boosting trust with potential buyers. Now you can reap the rewards of added social proof.